All right, we now have our new air conditioning installed. Miss Gina, new air conditioning. Okay, here we go. Gonna cut it on for the first time. Got it plugged up there. Let's see what happens here. High cool is what I want. You know what? I should have sprayed some spray in there. It started out smelling like fish. Brand new. Just out of the packet. But that's going to be cooler than the air mover. It's a $400 air mover right there. Another little Stanley air mover there. Got my Lasco fan over here. My Lasco turning fan over here. That wasn't enough. So we had to go and went to Menards today. They had a couple of more air conditioners left. So we were able to find just what we needed. All right then. Like the song say, I got just what I wanted. Got just what I wanted. I got just what I wanted from the Lord. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Bringing it together in the Restoration Building. Peace out.